Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Now, these wiper motors have access to power even when the key is not in the ignition. They have an activator that causes them to wipe with your windshield washers. They wipe the headlights off, and when you cut off the wipers, they're supposed to park. If they fail to park, it's some kind of a power chip in them that's stopping them from parking, and they can even run and continue to run until you unplug them. So if they go haywire, they can drain your battery. Before I wrestle this antenna out and replace it, I'm going to run it through, make sure it works, cut the radio on, make sure it extends, cut it off, make sure it retracts. It's silently extended, so I'm going to see if it retracts when I cut the radio off. And there it is retracted. So it's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. These bolts on the bottom, you don't have to take them all the way out. You just loosen them. If you take them all the way out, they're probably going to fall down there and disappear. Dropped the nut down there. Had to pull out the amp bracket. Fished my hardware out. Now I got the antenna in. Got the gasket in place. Got everything plugged up, the ground wire hooked up. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this piece of trim back in. Should be good to go. One of them was oranger than the other. The bulb evidently is losing its color. So, swap that out. Good to go. C70 light assembly for sale. It has a slight buckle in the lens. I'm sure you can see it there. Not real concerned about getting a price. Some people would rather have this than have a busted one. Anyway, when I turned it on the other side, I see that there was some melting going on inside of the lens and a crack on top of it. Somebody had these large bulbs installed there instead of the small bulbs. So these bulbs would need to be replaced to the correct smaller ones, stopping the damage to this light. If you want to make an offer on it, that's fine. As long as shipping is covered, it's not a big deal to me. Thank you. C70, the shift knob wasn't popping out, so we can get the key out. So hopefully this will do it. I swapped one out, one from the junkyard with a new black button on it. There's the one we're pulling out. This is the one we're putting in. As you can see, that thing was torn totally out. Engine was resting on the nub. That's wearing out. So we should be good to go with this new one. With the car, it's like the ignition is on. No key in the ignition. Some kind of lights are on. Something's giving positive power for some reason, because we have parking lights on. The alternator was smoking when we initially hooked it up. We disconnected the alternator, hooked the battery back up, then the coolant fan was running, unplugged the ground on the coolant fan. Now it's acting like there's an ignition on. So we got a short somewhere in here. We're going to cycle these keys in a minute, see if that helps us. But we are having some kind of electrical issues here with this car. It's like the flashers are stuck. Let me go hit the flasher button. Got the flashers on and off, didn't make any difference. So something's getting power. I'm going to disconnect the battery till I get a key. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.